Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sustainable Blue. On this week's episode, you'll see us cleaning up some cigarette butts that we found on our way back from the beach. You'll also see some of the stuff that we found at the beach and some rubbish that we found in a storm water drain that was nearby. Don't forget to give us a like if you like the video and just subscribe to see some more. Thanks, have a great day. So we were down at the beach and we were looking for turtle tracks. Beach was really clean, we didn't find too much rubbish there, and we were just on our way back to the car and we came across this area which is right next to a bin, but there's just dirty cigarette butts everywhere, and that's not even the worst of it. So they are littered absolutely everywhere around this little shelter. So we thought we'd film it and show you how many we find. These guys out of a storm water drain. We found, oh, that was in the storm water drain as well. Storm water drain, and then, oh gosh. Alright, so lots of these little microplastics. They're the ones that we found on the beach. So they are bite-sized for little fishies to eat when they are out there swimming. But God, I don't even know if I'll be able to count all these. You guys will probably get bored watching, but I'd say there's at least, what, 100 cigarette butts there. So we're just going to put, obviously, all this stuff in the bin, and things that can go recycled will go in our recycling bin when we get home. Thanks. See ya.